Hello friends, welcome in Indian coaching classes. In the previous period, we have learned two questions of first in the practice set 3.1. Now we have to learn third question minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, dot dot dot. Is this AP or not? If this is AP, we have to find difference. You know that if difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then that particular sequence is an AP. So how? We know that A or T1, first term is minus 10, second term is what? Minus 6, third term minus 2 and fourth term is 2. So on, like this. Therefore, difference is equal to, first difference will check, second minus first term, second term minus first term, T2 minus T1. That is, now what is T2 minus 6? If particular number is negative, then that number we have to write in bracket. जर एखादी संख्या निगेटिव्ह असेल तर तिला आपण कशामध्ये लिहायचं ब्रॅकेट मध्ये -6 नाउ दिस मायनस t2 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे -6 मायनस नंतर t1 किती आहे सांगा -3 हे मायनस इथंच चिन्हामध्ये ह्या सूत्रामध्ये t2 minus t2's value -6 that is there is -1 minus as it is t1 minus 10. Now see is equal to here by default if there is no sign between any bracket and outside of bracket then there is multiplication. जर कंस आणि बाहेरील चिन्ह संख्यामध्ये काही चिन्ह नसतं म्हणजे कोणतं साइन असतं मल्टिप्लिकेशन इथे असतो प्लस प्लस मायनस काय होणार आहे पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह and there is if there is no sign between bracket and outside sign there by default there is multiplication. We have to multiply this sign to bracket. Negative becomes positive 10. Now we solve brackets. Now this is -6 plus 10. So should we add it? We can't add because both sides are different. आपण याला ऍड करू शकतो का नाही कारण याचे दोन्हीचे चिन्ह कसे आहेत भिन्न आहेत. आता पहा या 10 6 करावा लागेल both sides are different. सबट्रॅक्ट 10 6 किती येणार आहे 4 plus 4. No need to write positive sign, so we can cancel also. So positive 4, right? Then second difference we check. Second difference D T3 minus T2. T3 what is T3? T3 minus T2 is equal to T3's value -2 minus here as it is minus T3's value -2 minus T2. What is value of T2? -6. Now see here we have to multiply outside sign to the bracket. Here is plus positive negative 2 here minus we have to multiply to bracket by outside sign. ज्या कंसाच्या बाहेरचं चिन्ह असतं त्या कंसाला त्या चिन्हाने काय करायचं असतं गुणायचं असतं. तर काय म्हणजे मल्टी प्लस आहे मग कंसाला गुणा पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह 2 मायनस I told you we have to multiply that bracket by outside side. आपल्याला त्या ब्रॅकेटला त्याच्या बाहेरच्या चिन्हाने गुणायचं. तर आउटसाइडला कोणतं चिन्ह आहे पॉझिटिव्ह आहे पॉझिटिव्ह 2 here there is multiplication. We have to multiply minus or negative plus 6. Now we solve bracket. Now see, this is minus and this is plus. Now both signs are different, so we have to subtract them. We can't add it because here is negative and here is positive. If both signs are different, we have to subtract their numbers. Now see, we have to subtract 6 minus 2, that will be 4, positive 4. Here is difference 4 and here is also 4. Both difference between two consecutive terms is constant. So we have to write that line difference between two consecutive term is constant. Therefore this is an AP. Understand? Now next example we have to learn. Any doubt? Please watch this video again, and if you want to write, pause that video and write these steps in your notebook. Okay? तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ समजला नसेल तर पुन्हा रिप्ले करून ऐका, आणि त्याच्यानंतर जर तुम्हाला लिहायचं जर असेल तर त्या व्हिडिओला पॉज करा आणि ते कंटेंट तुम्ही लिहून घेऊ शकता. Now next one question we have to write. See, here A or first term, that is 0.3. Second term T2 is what? T2 is 0.33, comma, and what is T3? T3 is equal to 0.333. Okay, now difference. Same steps we have to take here. D is equal to second minus first term, that is 0.33 minus 0.3. So here we can write here. I will write here in rough 0.33 minus 0.3. We have to write that decimal point below that upper decimal point, and at the left side we have to write that 0, and right side we have written as it is 3. There is no digit by default, we have to write here 0. Now see, 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And point as it is we have written, and 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0.03. हे बघा लक्षात घ्या कसं करायचं आहे. 0.33 याच्यातनं सबट्रॅक्ट केलं आपण 0.3. आता इथं पॉइंटच्या खाली पॉइंट लिहिला, हा राईट साइडचा डिजिट लिहिला ॲज इट इज, लेफ्ट साइडचा 0 इथे लिहिला, आणि याच्या खाली आता इथं काही कोणता डिजिट नव्हता, अंक नव्हता, म्हणून आपण इथं 0 लिहिले, 0 ॲज इट इज. नाउ 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Point as it is जसा तसा, 0 minus 0 as it is, 0 minus 0, 0. Now see, 0.03. This is the first difference we got. Now next difference will say difference again. Look here, take we took this difference T2 minus T1, second minus first difference. दुसरं वजा पहिलं केलं. आता काय, दुसरं वजा पहिलं केलं तर तिसरं वजा दुसरं. T3 minus T2. Now see, 0.333 minus T2. What is T2? T2, that T2's value we have to write 0.33 as it is equal to. Now see, this I write here 0.333 minus 0.33. Here there is no digit by default, we have to write here 0. Which digit will be here? 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And point as it is, 0.003. This we have written here 003. 0.003. Now see, next, is this difference constant or not? This difference is not constant, because this is 0.03 and this is 0.003. So if you did not understand it, is that constant or not, you can see here. Suppose this difference, if you want to write numerator denominator form, how can we write? See, 0.03, that if there is no digit by denominator, we can write 1. So we took as it is 3, and here is how many, after how many decimal places there is after how many digits there is decimal point? 2 digits. So 1 as it is by default. If in the denominator no digit, by default which digit is there? 1. जर क्षेत्र कोणताच अंक नसेल तर कोणता अंक असतो तिथं 1. आता इथे 2 अंकानंतर पॉइंट आहे, म्हणून काय करायचं आहे? 2 शून्य वाढवायचे. 1 आणि 2 अंकानंतर पॉइंट आहे, म्हणून 2 शून्य वाढवायचे. If there is decimal point after 2 digits, then we have added here 2 zeros after 1. So 3/100. This is the first number, and then next we can write that as decimal point in form of numerator denominator. How can we write? See, 0.03. That if there is denominator, if there is no denominator, by default which denominator is there? 1. So this we have written 3 in numerator, and as it is, just we wrote this 3, and after how many digits? After how many digits there is decimal point? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits there is decimal point. So we have to write 3 zeros in denominator after 1. So this number will become 3/1000. This is the third part of 1000. This is the third part of 100. So these numbers are different. Okay. So we have to write here. Here difference is not constant. Understand, these numbers are different, not same. So we can write हे दोनही संख्या यांचे फरक वेगवेगळे आहेत. मग काय लिहावं लागेल आपल्याला? नेहमी स्टेप लिहितो तसं बघा. difference between two consecutive term is constant. Therefore this sequence or this is an A. Understand? Yes. Now sixth example we have to learn. You have to solve that homework. I am giving here homework for you. Homework. Question number 1. Practice set. Easy questions I am giving for you in homework. Practice set. What? 3.1 in that. Question number 1. In question number 1 we have to solve at home 5 and 8. 5 and 8. These questions you have to solve at home. Easy question. I am taking this one now. See, -1.1/5. This where is we have to write as it is A. That A is equal to A or T1 is equal to -1/5. Right? T2 is equal to -1/5. That's it. And next number T3 also -1/5 and so on. Now we have to check is this AB or not. If is this AB, what will be the difference? So first we know that we have to find first of all difference, and if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then that sequence is an AP. The difference constant असेल तर ती AP असेल. आता पहा difference second minus first term, minus 1 by 5 minus in bracket minus 1 by 5. See, minus sign. If particular number is minus, then we have to write that number in bracket. We have formed bracket to negative number, and you know that here no sign, by default this sign is here outside positive, and we have to multiply that bracket to outside sign. There is no sign, plus is there, positive negative धन ऋण काय होणार आहे negative 1 by 5, right? पॉझिटिव्ह साइन असते, पॉझिटिव्ह ने याला गुणलं तर पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह. here is multiplication. We have to multiply that bracket by outside sign. आपल्याला आउटसाइड म्हणजे साइन आहे त्याला त्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. मग त्या साइनचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन काय तर निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह. सी here is denominator is constant, 1 by 5 same number, and should we add it? No, we can't add it because here is minus and here is plus. If both sides are different, then we have to subtract that number. जर चिन्ह भिन्न असतील तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी त्याची वजाबाकी करावी लागेल. मग 1/5 1 by 5 याची सबट्रॅक्शन केलं तर काय येणार आहे 0 येणार. ओके, now see next difference we'll check. Difference is equal to second minus first we took here. Now we have to take T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 1 by 5. This number we wrote in bracket because this is negative. Now minus in bracket that T2 is also minus 1 by 5 that we wrote here. Now see, here no sign, plus sign, by default plus sign is there, positive negative we have to multiply that positive sign to bracket. बाहेर काही नाही म्हणजे तो पॉझिटिव्ह साइन आहे, मग ह्या पॉझिटिव्ह साइन आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह काय होणार आहे निगेटिव्ह minus 1 by 5 ब्रॅकेट सॉल्व करतो. आणि आता इथं निगेटिव्ह साइन बाहेर आहे, मग बाहेरच्या चिन्हाने कंसाला काय करायचं असतं गुणायचं. निगेटिव्ह काय होतं गुणाकार, निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह 1 by 5. Here is negative 1 by 5, here is positive 1 by 5. There see we have to subtract that. If both signs are different, then we have to subtract that numbers. 1 by 5 what will be subtraction 0, right? त्याच संख्येतून ती संख्या जर वजा केली we can't add it because there is negative, here is positive, right? If signs are different, then we have to subtract, and if we subtract same number, then answer will be 0. Now see next example. Now okay, two steps remain. So difference is constant here. We have to write difference between two consecutive term is constant. Here I write here, therefore next last time I am writing here, therefore this is an AP, and difference we have write difference or T is equal to 0. Okay, Now next example. See. पहा नंतर उदाहरण a is equal to what? a और t1 is equal to 3. a और t1 काय आहे? 3. Next, this is first term. This is second. Second is term t2 is equal to 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Now third term. This total term is third term. t3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. And fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2. Now, next, difference is equal to second minus first term is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Second term we took here 3 plus root 2, and what is t1? t1 is 3. Understand? Now see. How can we solve it? Here positive 3 and negative 3. 3 positive 3 negative 3 will get cancelled, and what remain here? Root 3. Root 2. Root 2 is there. So we wrote as it is root 2. What is difference here? Root 2. Now next difference we are taking. Say next difference d is equal to t3 minus t2. Third term minus second term. Third term is what? This total term is third term. 3 plus 2 root 2. These are two numbers, no? So that's why we are taking bracket here, right? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus this value of t3. We took here t3's value is 3 plus 2 root 2, and minus we wrote as it is minus as it is here. And what is value of t2? t2's value is 3 plus root 2. Here bracket we have to form 3 plus root 2. Right. Now see. Here you can form bracket here also if you want to form. But we wrote as it is 3 plus t2's value 3 plus root 2 minus t2 minus t1. 3's value is what? 3 plus root 2, t2's value, and t1's value is minus 3. Positive 3, negative 3 get cancelled. Root 2 remain. Okay. Now next difference t3 minus t2. t3's value 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. We wrote in bracket because there are two numbers. So as it is this total term, we form bracket for that. And minus here t2's value. What is t2's value? 3 plus root 2. Now see, 3 plus 2 root 2. Here positive sign, no? So positive sign, when you multiply that, we have to multiply that bracket by outside sign. बाहेरचं जे चिन्ह असतं त्याला कंसात पण आलं. Positive 3 positive 3 positive 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 as it is 2 root 2 is. If we multiply to bracket by positive sign, then bracket will not change. Bracket won't change. Bracket काही बदलणार नाही जर आपण पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर मल्टिप्लाय केला. But when we multiply by negative sign, then bracket will be changed. How? See, this bracket will change now. Minus sign. Remember, we have to multiply. I told you we have to multiply that bracket to bracket by outside sign. आपल्याला बाहेरच्या चिन्हाने त्या कंसाला गुणायचं. मग बघा इथं मायनस चिन्हाने गुणून पहा निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स मस्ट बी क्लिअर. बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ज्या असतात पॉझिटिव्ह साइनच्या ह्या निगेटिव्ह याच्यात चुका बऱ्याच झाल्या तर त्या कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर असणं आवश्यक आहे. निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह काय होतं मल्टिप्लिकेट मध्ये निगेटिव्ह 3 आणि निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह ऋण धन ऋण आणि निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह आहे minus plus minus root 2. Now we solve bracket. Now easy to solve. Now see what will remain. This positive 3 cancel, negative 3 cancel, will get cancel. Now what remain here? This is we wrote as it is 2 root 2. or we can write directly. There is no coefficient. Okay, we write in denominator. We write in denominator. Sorry. Now next step, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. आपण खाली लिहिलं 2 root 2 minus root 2. आता पहा काय होईल, इथं कोएफिशिएंट काय घेऊया, सरळचा, हे सरळचा आहे, तर इथं काय असतो 1. मग पहा 2, मग कसं करणार याचं सबट्रॅक्शन, हाऊ कॅन वी सबट्रॅक्ट दॅट सर, 2 minus 1 directly we can write 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. What will be remain? This plus, no need to write plus. This plus sign, which sign is there? Positive sign. Positive 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. There is 1. No default, by default no sign. No coefficient is there. By default, which coefficient of surd? 1. जर surd चा coefficient काही नसेल तिथे काय असतं, 1 असतं. 2 minus 1 root 2. पण हा 1 लिहिण्याची गरज असते का? नो नीड. हा 1 लिहिण्याची गरज नसते. रूट 2 आले, अंडरस्टँड, हा पण रूट 2 आला आणि हा अगोदरचा डिफरन्स काय आला, रूट 2. मग काय लिहायचं बेटा आपल्याला, देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, डिफरन्स बिटवीन two consecutive term is constant. Therefore this is an AP, this is an AP, and what is difference here, root 2 that we have written, and difference, what is difference, that is D is equal to root 2. So over, and understand all of you, any problem please ask in replies, and this is homework. You have to solve very easy question. Practice it 3.1 in there. Question number 1 is there, and you have to solve very easy question number 5 and 8 that are easy. So that questions I gave to you for homework, question number 5 and question number 8. 5वा आणि 8वा, पहिल्या प्रश्नातला 5वा आणि 8वा सोपे, तुम्ही होमवर्कला करायचा, त्याचा फोटो तुम्हाला त्या रिप्लायज मध्ये WhatsApp किंवा YouTube ला करायचा आहे. थँक्यू.